Hey y'all, it's your favorite brown girl here. It's Ninja Marie, and I'm on my way to get my hair done. It's been a minute, as you can see. It is time. So I was gonna get a wig made with the hair that I got from LoveLeeLife Boutique, but I didn't because I do like the way that my hair looks when I have a sew-in, and it looks more natural. I can't really do the wig thing all the time, and I just miss having sew-ins. So here is my Filipino wavy hair. I did dye it jet black because my hair is jet black, and this is it air dried and colored, and it takes color very well. The hair also has like a coarseness to it and a great luster. As you can see, it is shiny. So I feel like it will go well with my hair once it's straightened and stuff. But I got 18, 20, and 22. So your girl about to be Rapunzel in this bitch. Period. I'm about to go to Miami. So I'm like, let me get a sew-in. It is time. Outside is open and I need to be out. I mean, I've been out. Your girl been out, but my hair hasn't been on point, and I'm ready for it to be on point with this. You feel me? So stay tuned for the look. I'm like just super excited because this hair is so beautiful. So stay tuned. Bye.
2 hours later.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Ninjer. I am back from the hairstylist, and look at my hair. Like, I love it. I feel like an LA bitch. It is so long and so pretty. My stylist like straightened the hair really straight, and it looks really good. It's super flat. The wefts again were really flat. The hair blends in with my natural hair surprisingly because it is coarse. But yeah, I'm in love. Absolutely in love. Highly recommend. No shedding. Get this hair. Period. Get into it. Big bitch. Outside is open. Hi guys, it's your favorite brown girl here. It's Ninja Marie, and I am back with a video in regards to my LoveLeeLife Hair Boutique hair. Again, I am wearing the Filipino Wavy in 18, 20, and 22. I have gotten my hair installed since, let's see, June 29th, and it is now August 11th. So I've had it in for a good month and 2 weeks, 2-3 weeks, and I absolutely love the hair. It's nice and coarse and thick, as I previously mentioned. I've had it washed, conditioned about twice. I've curled it, I've straightened it. Of course, I first had it straightened when I first got it installed, and I absolutely loved it. It's super long. Like, the length is there, baby. I got so many compliments on this hair about its texture and how beautiful it is. As you can see, ooh, them edges. I'm about to take this out today, but I want to give you guys a review. This hair is great. I would highly recommend it. It's super thick, great texture, great coarseness to it. It matched my hair very well when it was straightened. I also was able to dye it black because it was like a natural brown color and my hair is black. So I had to dye it to match my hair completely, but it is great. Again, this is Filipino Wavy, 18, 20, and 22. I would highly recommend. There is minimal shedding. I don't know what hair companies say, like, oh, there's no shedding. Every hair sheds. If your actual hair sheds, a weave is gonna shed too. The tracks were put in very flat. They weren't, the wefts weren't cut unless it like needed to be cut, but most of it's all sewn in 1 or 2 tracks or whatever, based on the bundle. But other than that, it's been great. I had a great time. I'm gonna reuse this hair in the future. Yeah, like, it's been great. It's been a great summer. Even though it's been hot as hell this summer, it's been a great summer, and I miss my sew-ins, and I'm so happy that I got this hair. It's bomb. Ooh, it's a little nappy right there, but that's okay. The girl's been working out, you know what I'm saying? But it still looks great. You know, I could wash it tomorrow and it could bounce back to look like it's brand new. But yeah, check out LoveLeeLife Hair Boutique. Use my code Ninja for a discount. Again, it's Filipino Wavy, and I'm wearing 18, 20, 22. Don't miss out because this hair is bomb. Like, you will love it. Bomb diggity. Look at my pictures. Look at my Instagram. It's Ninja Marie. You'll see all the bomb ass pics I took wearing this hair. I love it. Get into it. It's worth every penny, and it's actually very affordable. So to be quality hair. So yeah, get you some. Bye.